Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to install Microsoft Clarity from the Shopify App Store. In your Shopify admin dashboard, click on Apps, then choose Add, then click Shopify Ad Store. In the search bar, type Microsoft Clarity. When you see the official Clarity app or a trusted integration, click on it. Follow the prompts and wait for the installation to finish. Now go to your Shopify dashboard. Scroll down to Online Store and then Theme. Click on Clarity.js to open it. Check that it is properly configured and active. If you see a Save button, click Save to confirm your settings. Once that's done, go back to the main dashboard. From here, open the Apps section. In the list of installed apps, look for Microsoft Clarity. It should now appear in the list since you just installed it. Click on Microsoft Clarity to open it. The app will now be connected to your Shopify store. This will allow Clarity to start tracking user interactions and collecting data.